Hi everyone. Today we will discuss about depth first search. Before that, we will have a quick recap of the last video. In the last video, we have been seen about the search algorithm. Search algorithm is nothing but it mainly uses the heuristic functions in order to find the best path solution for a given problem. So it basically classified into two types. One is uninformed search and the other one is informed search. And under these uninformed and informed search, we have a lot of algorithms. Let us discuss one by one. Now in this video, we are going to discuss about the depth first search algorithm, that is nothing but DFS, which comes under uninformed search algorithm. So it basically works under certain algorithm that is called as looping algorithm. So let us discuss with some simple example. So consider this structure as an example. In this, let us assume A as the initial state and G as the goal state. So here a lot of G are present, but by using depth first search algorithm, mainly it focuses on the left hand side of the path first. By using this, if it doesn't find any goal state, after that it will move to the next branch. Likewise, it will use to search. So let us consider an example. Let us see this example. So the first step is, let us assume so this is the initial state. So since the goal state is G, so here G is not present. So first node list we are adding this A. Since this is not a goal state, we have to remove this A. And we have to see this child node. Consider this as a parent node. So the child node of this parent node is B and C. So we have to eliminate this A and we have to add this B and C to the node list. So in the second step, we have added B and C to the node list. After that, we have to see B because the depth first search works from the left hand side. So we have to focus on B. So now let us consider this as the parent node and the child node of B is D and E. So in the next step, the node list consists of D, E and C. So as I said before, the node list consists of D, E and C. Next we have to check with D. Since the DFS works in the, as I said before, it works in the left hand side. So now the parent node is D and the child node of D is C and F. So now the node list has been written as C, F, E and then C. Now you have to see in the left hand side C is present. So now the child node for C is G. So in the next node list we will be written G, F, E and C. So the node list comes like this: G, F, E and C. And since G is our goal state, we have reached G to the first place in the node list. So our algorithm ends here. The solution path has been found. So the solution path is from A to B, B to D, D to C and D to G. This is the path. By using this algorithm, with this path we have find the goal state. So since there are a lot of goal states are present, by seeing this example we can easily say this has been the shortest path. But the algorithm works from the left hand side, so it shows this path. This is the longest path, it seems. So that is the major drawback of this algorithm. So the basic advantages are, it requires less memory. It may find a solution without examining much of the search space at all, because simply it searched by using the left hand side and then furtherly it processes with the further steps. So the major disadvantage is it may find a suboptimal solution. So this may not give an accurate best path for the problem. And then the second disadvantage is incomplete. So without a depth bound, one may not find a solution even if one exists. So even the solution exists here, it may not find this best solution because it works under this condition. So that is the major drawback of this problem. So this is the simple example for depth first search algorithm, and in the further videos we will discuss about the remaining algorithms of uninformed search algorithms. Thank you.